All right, let's get started. So we got this one, it broke 30 there. Broke 30 on this one too. We want to see it reclaim 30. We want to see it reclaim 30. I'll take a test trade here. Anytime now. We'll take a test trade. Okay, let's go. Reclaim 30. Gotta be careful though, you know? It's a reclaim 30 and I want to see it first candle to make a new high now. We'll see. Coming down, 15. There's a gap there, went down all the way to 19. We hold 20 here. So we're seeing some green on the tape, 23, 24. Next candle, I want to see what it wants to do next candle. Let's get in here. I'm in at 23. No, don't like it. Mike got out too early there. That's good volume. Not too convinced there. Maybe we could try it one more time. Candle new high over 30. There it is. Big sellers there. Wow. Okay, cool. Cool. What do you want to hold? I'll get in here. 35. No. Ah, I'm scalping. No. No. Ah, that sucks. Hmm. Yeah, I was not able to time that better. I'm thinking it is respecting the gaps. It is doing it. Beautiful trade there. All right, let's wait for the open and I'll trade that better. All right. This one we got holding up. Kind of like a continuation stock. Let's see. I would want to see this on a dip on the 40s. 400 shares, smaller size. Let's see what we can do here. 67 we're seeing flat is SKYQ. Depends how low this wants to dip. Hopefully under 50. I'm gonna see it under 450. 420 is the hold down. 4-2 needs to hold down. Volume is kind of small still. Watching. We need to see that break of 450. Break of 450. The low that was 52. 57 there. Looking for 450, break of 450. Might be here now. All right, whatever. Doesn't seem to come. Here we go, 30 seconds on this. Might do it here. So 45, 38 could be the stop here. So let's see. Dip under 40. That would be sweet on this. I'll dip under 40. And then reclaim back over 40. Oh my goodness, there you go. 37. Oh, that sucks, bro. That is awful. Lost 10 cents on that. Dang it. First 1 minute new high here. Beautiful 70. No, I don't think so. I didn't make a new low under 50. I don't think it'll go yet. At least I don't want to trade that. 85, it's like kind of choppy to 90. SKYQ. CBRG. BAOS. Could probably break this here. Over 80. It could do it here now. Trying it here. Super tight stop over 80.
ZYBT
80, 80, 80, 80, 80. Didn't really quite get 80.
GBH halted down.
Nah. So I wanted to anticipate the 1 minute candle to make a new high. I'll try it one more time here. Right over 80. I think it could do it. $80 needs to print. There you go. 80 printed on the bid. So I need to see this. There it is. 80. Oh, rejecting again. Wow, that's brutal. That's crazy. Down to 21, back to 40. What the heck? Yo, man, that's crazy. That's crazy. I wish I could see this down in 50s. That could have been good. That would have been giving me a stronger move up. All right. I guess ZYBT is not over yet. This one down low there. There's 80 there. Probably not 80 anymore, more like 90. 85 to 90. Here we go. Let's get that break under 50 and see if we can reclaim 50. BBD. Didn't get that break at 50. Again, it held 50. All right, first 1 minute candle making a high 70 here. So if I see this green being printed over 70, this could actually do it. No, I think it needs to go under 50. We'll wait. Okay, I do see more volume coming in through here. Quite possibly we could see a move here at 80. It's hard to say. Choppy, but we can get a squeeze. 10 seconds here. I'll take this one. Let's see. I'm going for a dip and a rip here. Dip under 50. Now let's do it here. 47. Nah, man, I'm just gonna lose more money on this. Back to okay. What a day, bro. First 30 minutes in, I'm already losing 500, and this thing is already going to 50. Mistiming those dips. Chop fest. Oh, that sucks. Try to keep it tight here. So this one, pulling back. 80. 90 could be interesting. There it is, 90. I didn't hit. Ooh, 88.
ZYQ.
Nah, I thought we might see that move. Okay, I think I'm done trading today, man. Here, if we're having good Momo coming through here, I want to see this under 70, 68 to 55. Still waiting, still waiting. How well this is gonna react. Nice dip down there to 66. So waiting for this. There it is, 70. 73, 72. It's pretty good. I mean, it looks good. But there's a lot of action that is holding it down. Like it should have gone right there. So it might wait for another dip here, maybe. 66 there.
changing in less than 10 seconds. Easy.
Maybe one more dip down here. There it is, 65. I'll get in here. 68, let's go. So I like that. The fact that it was under 70, couldn't break it. So the low that was 65, so I'll take this.
SKYQ.
Now we can move here. Now we can make a good move. Let me get 90 out of this.
SKYQ. And SKYQ.
Some algo squeeze would be really awesome here.
Easy.
I see the tape moving a little faster. That's good.
ZYBT magazine in less than a minute.
It's been choppy, but I would give this a try.
SKYQ. magazine in less than a minute.
If not, I would probably try it a little lower. $66 by 70.
SKYQ.
68 by 70. Nope. Not doing it there. 67 by 68. The ask moved down. Might be a little lower, perhaps.
only less than 10 seconds. LAVD.
Hmm.
ZYBT. SKYQ. MUC. SNDQ. SOXS. RKLZ. SQQQ.
Look at that.
SQQQ.
60,
SNQ.
back down to 60.
ZYBT halted down.
I like this. I like this. We could see something here, but
RKLZ. ILM3.
no, this one's going here.
SNDQ. SOXS. SQQQ. SSPT.
What do we do here? $760, 50s.
SPTD. SQQQ.
We got an imbalance. Now we got to know where this pullback is going to be. If it's going to give a pullback or over 770. Pullback there, 236.
NTPP. TSLQ. GOR using your left hand. URR. NVL. NUAI.
First candle to make a new high here, 57, 60. I don't really trust the first candle to make a new highs. Dips are much better.
GOR in 10 seconds. NVL.
This thing can still squeeze, I think. This thing goes under 60. There it goes under 60. 10 seconds on that. I'm gonna give this one more try here. Went under 60, it came right back up.
ATPP.
But I'm not seeing the volume coming in.
ZYBT magazine in less than a minute.
Ah, man.
NUA high.
This hasn't failed yet, so gonna wait for this a moment. Have to be patient if I want to grab that move.
NVLR. CIFR. MRV now.
Maybe the dip is actually under 50 and not 60. I'll get in here. 62. I would say break of 60. It is very close to breaking 60. But I like how that reclaim over 60 worked. Went down to 56 two times. It didn't actually break it. This one went down to 57. So now we're right here. Now I need to see volume coming in through here. 58 to 61. I need to see volume coming through here. If I see new low, probably ain't gonna be it.
LITU. LITX.
Still waiting. 57 is that. I'm kind of in too high, but 57 is that low. Back over 60. I need to see this green here. This has to be green. I want to see some green prints. There we go, 50, 65. $66. Come on, let me see some green print. Looking for this candle to turn. Green. Bigger green, actually. Come on. Algos, pick it up. Algos, pick it up. It's right at VWAP too, so really hard to say. So waiting here 3 seconds. Hopefully this next candle can bring that volume. 64, 65, 66. There you go. 69. $66. Having trouble. Stop this break even. Nothing to lose. Pushing, pushing, pushing. 20 more seconds. We can wait 20 more seconds. See if this other candle is gonna push a little more, a little more. SKYQ.
STIO. NVLR. MRV now.
ZYBT.
ZYBT halted to the upside.
Next candle didn't do it. Still waiting. 65 by 66. Bid is pushing up. Still waiting. That candle right there doesn't look too good. Failing the first 1 minute candle to make a new high. Let's try it one more time here. Volume is increasing, so we're looking decent. Come on. Now is a good time. Now is a good time.
ZYBT.
Now is a good time.
LBTJ.
Come on, let me see 70s.
LBGJ holder to the upside.
There we go, 70s. 72. Come on. Push, 74. Nice. I'll try to take some out here on the 70. 76.
LBTJ.
Come on. Still trying to seeing if I can get another squeeze here.
LBTJ.
If I can see if I can push this a little bit more. 67. It might do a nice dip under 67. That will give an ad. And then back over 72. 72, 74. Looking for this next move. Maybe a move to 80.
LBTJ.
So don't want to stop out too soon yet. Here we go. Want to see a push here. Both candles finished green. So that's good to see. Come on. It's actually the one going there. I'm gonna take this out. Is actually the one going. This halted already. Dang.
BNY halted to the upside.
VIY.
HULP. ZYBT may resume in less than a minute.
All right, here we go. It's gonna resume.
BNY may resume in 10 seconds.
My goodness. Gonna have to take something else here. If I'm not in from here, there's no point in me trading it up there, especially when I'm down 500. This was good apparently. Maybe could have taken this dip here. Went down to 33, 30, maybe the recovery over 40. That could have been good.
LBTJ.
So we could get a nice dip under 40 and possibly get that reclaim. There's your dip under 40, but it goes straight into hold down. ZYBT.
ZYBT.
85. This thing, bro. So, what are we gonna do here? It is actually gonna be.
LBTJ.
So, it had a lot of trouble right there over 90. So, 90. Don't really trust it at 90. It would be
ZYBT.
two dipping rips on this thing, and I got smoked. Smoked, 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 smoked. Somehow, I'm gonna look for something better.
LBTJ.
So, having trouble at 90, obviously. Now, if this is gonna keep going, we might need to see a dip here. All that is 82. That could be too much of a dip. So, 82, 85.
LBTJ.
Oh my gosh. Okay, aggressive dip at 79. Aggressive dip at 79 there. Aggressive dip at 79, 77, 76. Nah, man, this thing is so bad. So bad. So what now? Are you actually gonna find support on the second fair value gap? Cover 80. No, I don't think so. Squeezy, squeezy. Here we go. So what do we got here is 90s. If we're able to hold 90s here, nice, $2.
ZYBT.
Move to 204. So we're looking for, okay, we're gonna get a imbalance pretty soon. So I don't want to trade this yet. It's gonna get pretty choppy here. So I'll wait for this candle to resume. If it's at $2, I might take that $2 push. But let's see where this pullback candle is gonna be. 90, 87. Oof. Big dip, big dip, big dip on that 80. Dang, this thing is choppy as heck. Nah, bro, it's so bad. Okay, so this failed to break down, and these guys are about to get squeezed. What the heck, man? Ah, that's crazy. Can we chase this? Bro, that's unbelievable. Unbelievable. Maybe you should have seen that coming here, man. Right here, back at 90. Okay, cool. So we got this resumption here. It's been such a hard time knowing where to trade this. Trade what's right here, right there. First candle to make a new high, right here. Maybe another one here. But the fact that I'm red, I'm not watching the stock. Hold down is 202. 202 is a hold down. Went all the way up to 27.
Liberty. University. University.
205.
HJ resident.
Well, the previous was 202. Now $2 is the hold down. $2.30 is a hold up. It's a 30-cent range. 30-cent, yeah, 30-cent band. So what are we gonna do here? Is it gonna come halting down? Is it gonna come halting down? Mm. 215.
ZYBT.
213. Mm. Over 220. $220. No, I'm not taking out first candle new high or breakouts. Not taking those. The best things I could take are probably dips. All right. Well. We're back at the lows of the month. That's a very, very sad thing to see. We took 2 L's. I think I'm done taking dip and rips. I got destroyed here. Massive, massive loss. This dip. 37 thinking it would work and immediately goes down 4-second trade. Then another one thinking I'm getting like closer to 44. 44 got in 47. Out 41. So just like that. That's 300, 430, and then I took a couple losses here. Not ready to trade today. I thought I was, but it's just taking bad decisions. Taking bad decisions will lead to this kind of stuff. The only redeemable winner here, 62, reclaim 60, right? So I'm thinking, okay, this could look good. Trying it over here. Waiting for it, waiting for volume to pick up. Anyway, out 69. I did take a few losses on this. Did I take a few losses? Yeah, I took like a couple losses there, but nothing crazy. Yeah, not a great day. Not a great day. Bad decisions. Not waiting for my trades, and that's not going to work. That's not going to cut it in this market. That's not going to cut it as a trader. So we're down at the lows this month, down 1200. And to be honest, I am taking bigger size. You know, I am taking bigger size. Took 3K on that dip and rip, and I got smoked. So I am trading less. I'm trying to pick my shots. So there are opportunities. The market has opportunities. I just not in sync with the market. So I'm gonna try to keep it tight, as tight as possible. Let's look at this drawdown. So year to date, biggest drawdown was 2K. Thinking I was out of it, then down again 2K on that drawdown. I don't think in my whole career, I don't think I've had such a big drawdown. So this is when I first started trading. I guess I had the biggest drawdown right here, 50, 2600. So now another drawdown came here, and another drawdown today. So man, been able to stay away from big drawdowns for a while, but now this time is big. So hopefully we can get out of this much quicker than this time. This time took a long time. It took like a year to get out of this. All right. Anyway, we got to look at the bigger picture, and the bigger picture is we are a profitable trader. And I think we got to go back to basics. Go back to basics and get comfortable with the risk. Get comfortable with the risk because you can definitely win. I can definitely win 3 times this on my green days. I know I can do it. Anyway, come over to Mr. Profit, create your account, try it for free, 7-day free trial, free trading analysis tool. Upload your file, 100% free, no sign up required. Give it a try. Trusted by the community. Check out our testimonials. $5 a month, 50 a year. The best analytics platform out there. It's helped me become a profitable trader. Although I'm struggling this month, but I'm using it to review. I'm using it to make changes to my game. Not changes to my game, but like really small tweaks that are necessary based on the market. Anyway, hit me up on Discord if you need any help, and I'll see you tomorrow.